So you have heard about virtual bookkeeping, maybe on TikTok, maybe from a friend who works from home with just her laptop and a few clients, and now you're wondering, how do I actually get started? If that's you, this video is your step-by-step roadmap. I'm going to walk you through the 7 exact steps to become a virtual bookkeeper, even if you have no prior experience and no accounting degree. From the skills you need, to the tools, to getting your first client, this is everything I wish I had when I started. Let's begin with first step. Understand what virtual bookkeepers actually do. A lot of people think it's just typing numbers into QuickBooks, but bookkeeping is more than that. Virtual bookkeepers help small businesses stay financially organized. That means tracking income and expenses, sending invoices, reconciling bank accounts, processing payroll, and preparing financial reports, all done remotely. You're not an employee sitting in someone's office. You're a professional working online, often with clients in other states or even other countries, and your job is to help business owners see the financial truth of what's going on in their company. That's powerful. Second step, learn the basics of bookkeeping. Before you jump into software or chase clients, you need a solid understanding of how bookkeeping actually works. That includes understanding debits and credits, what a chart of accounts is, the difference between cash and accrual accounting, and how to read a profit and loss statement. The good news? You don't need a college degree for this. There are amazing resources online, both free and paid. If you want something structured and practical, I'll drop a course link in the description that walks you through it all using real-world examples. But even if you learn on your own, learn deeply, because this is the knowledge that will separate you from someone just clicking buttons. Now for third step. Learn the tools of the trade. Virtual bookkeeping means using cloud-based tools. The one software you should start with is QuickBooks Online. It's the most widely used, especially in the US. After that, you might look into Xero, Wave, or FreshBooks depending on your niche. But don't just watch tutorials. Practice. Set up a fake company, record some sample transactions, reconcile a bank statement. That's how you really learn. You'll also want to get comfortable with tools like Google Drive for sharing documents, Zoom for client calls, and apps like Dext or HubDoc for managing receipts. The better you are with tech, the smoother your workflow, and the more you can charge. If you're still watching this video, you must enjoy this type of bookkeeping content. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Fourth step is to set up your business. Even if you're just getting started, treat this like a real business from day one. Choose a business name, register it legally in your country or state, LLC or sole proprietorship, get a separate business bank account, and set up a professional email address. You'll also want to create simple pricing packages, something like basic monthly bookkeeping for $500 per month or quarterly catch-up package for one-time cleanups. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Keep your offer clear and your scope defined. And yes, it is okay to adjust your pricing later as you gain confidence. Now comes fifth step, create an online presence. If you're a virtual bookkeeper, then people need to find you online. Start with something simple, a one-page website or a LinkedIn profile that says what you do and who you help. Even a Google business profile or Facebook page can help you show up in search. You're not trying to be a content creator here, you're just making it easy for potential clients to verify you're legit. Then comes sixth step, start practicing with real or sample clients. If you know someone who runs a business, a friend, a family member, offer to do their books for free or at a discount while you're learning. In return, ask for feedback and a testimonial. If you don't know anyone, create a mock client and treat it like it's real. Build a process, send reports, role-play client communication. Practice isn't just about knowledge, it's about building the confidence to manage real clients without panicking. And finally, seventh step, find your first paying clients and grow. This is where a lot of people freeze, but don't overthink it. There are 3 great ways to land clients as a beginner. First, freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. They're competitive, but a good place to start and build social proof. Second, cold outreach. Reach out to local businesses, send friendly emails, or offer a free consult. Third, referrals. Tell your network what you do and who you help. Ask for introductions. Word of mouth goes a long way. Your first client won't come instantly, but when it does, serve them well, ask for a referral, and repeat. That's how you grow. Now let's be clear, virtual bookkeeping is not a magic money machine. It's a real career with real work and real rewards. But if you follow these 7 steps, stay consistent, and focus on building trust, you can absolutely build a business that gives you freedom, flexibility, and steady income from anywhere. If you're ready to get started, I've added links in the description to our bookkeeping and accounting courses, along with a clear roadmap to guide you. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Comment below, which step are you currently on? We would love to hear where you are at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we'll be posting more tutorials and real-world content for aspiring bookkeepers. See you in the next video.